Hello. So please state your name, your title, and the name of your company, please.
Hi, Yolanda. I'm Kara Stewart. I'm the founder of Wondermarks PR and Remarks Media.
Wonderful. And can you share during the B2B social media program today why it's important to communicate to this generation in a manner in which they like to communicate? And you also mentioned why it's important to have your social media process developed throughout your sales channel, through your organization, so that it's a holistic approach as opposed to just looking for Google rates.
Absolutely. Well, a couple ideas around that is that social media is about listening, not simply about communicating your ideas about your brand, your product, your strategy in the marketplace. So with that, it has to be an active exercise that every organization, every customer-facing, channel-facing person within your company is engaged in. And when you start to think about the multiple generations that any company deals with, you might have a 20-something or 30-something engineer, application developer, channel buyer who is a direct contact with you, but you also might have someone 40, 50, 60, 70s who has been within the industries for so long. They're going to want more of a direct rapport, but your 20-something, 30-something is going to go to the internet first, conduct all the research, and only pick up the phone or engage with you when there is time for decision making or very finite information that is particular to his or her company.
Thank you.